Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix YouTube video quality option not showing. The first thing you'll need to do is go into settings. Once in settings, you're going to scroll down and select apps. After selecting apps, you're going to tap on the search icon in the top right hand corner. And from here, you're going to type in YouTube. Then you're going to select YouTube. After selecting YouTube, you want to tap on storage. And from here, you're going to tap on clear data. Then you'll select OK. And after clearing the data, you will close out of settings and you will go back into the YouTube app and the problem will be solved more than likely. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to fix YouTube video quality option not showing.